What makes this beautiful Disney World resort the best value? It's a secret. Not that many people know about this, but now you are going to be one of the only people who knows. But you gotta act quick. Watch this video.
Val, talk to me about lodging options.
Do you want to know the best? Yes. Okay.
Tell me now.
The best
Right
on
now.
Disney property
Still waiting.
is Disney's the Marriott branded Swan and Dolphin Hotel. The reason it's the best is because of its location. It's the number one best location for Epcot and Hollywood Studios. You are literally within walking distance of Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios parks.
And while it is true that Disney's Yacht and Beach Club Resort, as well as Disney's Boardwalk Resort, which are on the same lagoon as Swan and Dolphin in the Epcot Resorts area, do allow you to walk to Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios, they do cost more on average per night than the Swan and Dolphin Hotel, as well as the fact that you cannot use Marriott Bonvoy rewards points at the Disney Yacht and Beach Club or at the Boardwalk Hotel.
Also, I would recommend this hotel because it is a luxurious accommodations. It overlooks the lagoon outside of the hotel. It also provides a spa on the property within the hotel. It also provides fine dining. For instance, Todd English has his own restaurant there in the Swan and Dolphin Hotel property, as well as you can get suites. Of course, you can get rooms that overlook, like I say, the picturesque waterfront. So there's all kinds of variety of how you can customize the accommodations. But to save the money, a reason I think again it's a great value, if you were to pay the deluxe accommodation rates for the other Disney properties that are known as the deluxe category, such as Grand Floridian, Polynesian, Contemporary, and even Fort Wilderness Lodge, you're paying way more, like literally about 3 times more, depending on the season, depending on if you're able to get any discounted rates, if there's a promotion running. But 3 times more, and what you're getting at the Grand Floridian, the Polynesian, the Contemporary, or the Disney's Fort Wilderness Lodge is that you're next to Magic Kingdom. In comparison, no other hotel on property is as close to Magic Kingdom as those 4. However, if we are talking about the likelihood of how much time are you going to spend in your hotel room and how much time are you going to spend enjoying the resort, if you have paid for a theme park ticket that gets you into Magic Kingdom and the other 3 theme parks, how much time are you spending in a hotel room? Most likely you're gone all day from that hotel room, and you've paid, again, $600, $700, $800 a night. And all you're doing when you get back to the hotel, because you're too tired, you're just sleeping. You're changing your clothes, etc. You're not really enjoying the amenities of this resort. So again, to pay less, again, a fraction of the price, you can use Marriott Bonvoy membership points that you get as a usage of frequently visiting Marriott hotels. You can use those for the payment on your stay. It's just a great value due to location, due to amenities. Look at the pool. I mean, go to their website, look at how luxurious this property is. And they have, like I say, quick service and fine dining, and you can walk, and you have a friendship boat, Disney's boat transportation that takes you both to Epcot and Hollywood Studios, and you can get bus transportation to all of the other Disney theme parks as well as Disney Springs. By the way, when you pay for the luxury of Grand Floridian, Polynesian, Contemporary, and Fort Wilderness Lodge, all of which are closer to Magic Kingdom, you realize you are only close to Magic Kingdom. So you've just paid, like I said, between $600 to $800 a night for a hotel room, and you're gonna have to get on a bus, a crowded bus, just like anyone else that's paid for a value resort or a moderate resort or a luxury resort. It doesn't matter. At some point, if you rely on Disney transportation during your stay at one of their hotels, you will be on a crowded bus to get to one of their theme parks, such as Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Epcot, or Disney Springs, or one of their water parks. So again, the accommodations often are not special enough to the point where you should invest that much more money in those hotels that are promoted to be in the best location next to Magic Kingdom. You do have monorail access to Magic Kingdom, and that's what they're talking about, makes it so quick and easy to get to that theme park. However, aren't you going to visit other theme parks? If so, I don't see why that is more valuable than staying at a hotel that's kind of more centrally located, such as Disney's Swan and Dolphin property. So I would say look into it, visit their website, check out the links in the description below, and you tell me what you think after that, Cliff.
Thanks so much, Val. This has been Cliffhanger, your loyal host on the Budget News Network. Signing off and reminding you that being broke is never a joke.
Okay, now that you've watched this whole video, I'm pretty sure you're very serious about planning the perfect Disney World vacation. If you want to get more money-saving tips on a Disney cruise, make sure that you watch the special report on how to save money at Disney Cruise Line. You won't want to miss it. And make sure you get the other 4 ways that you can save big money, hundreds of dollars at Disney World by watching that video. Watch that video. The secret is safe between you and me. Keep it real. Keep it Disneyfied.